Hi, in this video, I will show you one of my repeated client on Fiverr. So if I share my screen, okay, as you can see, this is my repeated client and this client very happy with my work. So that's why they continue working with me. And as you can see, I delivered this $45 orders 14 hours ago. This client has been a little bit busy, so they have not accept the or delivered yet. And if I zoom a little, you can see it more clearly. Just a minute. Okay, as you can see, and also you can see one order is running $140, and also I completed total 30 order only this one single client. 30 order also completed, and also one order delivered and one order is running. So this client is very happy, so much happy my work. So that's why they continue working with me. Okay, in this moment I show you my client video performance, which video I last completed SEO. Okay, so if I show the client video performance, okay, this video I'm working done last night. So as you can see, this video last 60 minutes, this video gained 75 views, and also this video gained 1.6k views, and also watch time 287.5 watch hours is gain, and also subscribers 17 plus subscriber gain. So if I click reach section on, okay, you can see, this video impression 14.8k impression, and click through rate 7.6. Okay, and I'm fully confident this video gain more and more views day by day. SEO result generate day by day. So in this moment I just stop my screen. Okay, so if you want to grow your YouTube channel, just contact me. Okay, bye for now.